Hello and welcome to Proxmox Tutorials. This video shows the highlights of the new point release for Proxmox Datacenter Manager 1.1. You can now use Proxmox Datacenter Manager for automated installations of Proxmox products. In the new Automated Installations tab, you can prepare so-called answers for automated installations. These answers are then securely served over HTTPS to the target. Using the wizard, you can configure the network, disks, locales, and other system settings for new installations. Additionally, a token system protects the installation process, enhancing overall security. Make sure to store your tokens in a secure location. Once everything is set up, the system generates a ready-to-use command that you can apply to any compatible ISO. For example, the latest Proxmox virtual environment, 9.2 ISO. Once the ISO is ready, you can boot it on your target machine. The automated installer will now fetch the settings from Proxmox Datacenter Manager and provision the system accordingly. It's now possible to manage subscriptions centrally through a single interface in Proxmox Datacenter Manager. Proxmox Datacenter Manager can automatically propose an assignment of available keys to managed remotes to easily distribute them across nodes. This means you can handle the entire lifecycle of your subscriptions from within Proxmox Datacenter Manager. Proxmox Datacenter Manager 1.1 now shows its own metrics in the administration panel. This allows you to easily tell at a glance how utilized your host is. You can now monitor Ceph clusters across all connected, hyper-converged Proxmox virtual environment remotes. This provides full visibility into the health, capacity, and performance of each Ceph cluster. The status of individual monitors, managers, OSDs, and pools can also be monitored. The locations of remotes can now be visualized using the new map widget. For Proxmox virtual environment remotes, the location is set via the node or data center options. For Proxmox Backup Server, the location is configured under the system options. Proxmox Datacenter Manager 1.1 is based on the latest Debian 13.5, codenamed Trixie, combined with leading open-source technologies. This includes the latest Linux kernel 7.0 and OpenZFS 2.4. The new version is available now in all of our repositories. or download the ISO today and start exploring all the new features.